We get asked a lot, why won't gas come out of my tank when I know there's still propane in there? Well, there's the safety feature that hooks to the tank to prevent an excess flow of gas in case of an emergency. Well, you can recreate that situation if you turn the tank on too quick. So I'll show you an example of what it looks like if it works properly. So I'll open the tank very slowly. Gas will fill up the line and pressurize the system. You can see here on the gauge we have between 11 and 14 inches of water column, which is perfect. So now I'll show you an example of what it looks like if I turn the tank on too quickly and it slugs off. So I turn the tank on very quickly. You can see here that the gauge did not move. So if that happens, all you need to do is turn the tank off, wait about 10 seconds. You may hear a click. Again, I'll open the tank very slowly. Gas fills the line. We have between 11 and 14 inches of water column. And at this point, you can go ahead and turn the burners on your grill and start cooking. If you ever want to know how much gas is left in your tank, you can look on the collar of the tank for the letters TW. That stands for tare weight. Now, not all tanks have the same tare weight, but for a 20-pound tank, which is the most common size for a gas grill, like as an example, this tank has a tare weight of 16.6 pounds. So since it's a 20-pound tank, when it's full, it will weigh 36.6 pounds. McMahans Bottle Gas is a family-owned business. We've been in business for over 60 years, so our family takes care of your family. You may ask yourself, why should I take my 20-pound tank to McMahon's to get it refilled as opposed to a cylinder exchange cabinet, which is very close to my house? Here's a couple reasons why. At McMahon's, we only charge you for the gas we put in the tank, versus a cylinder exchange cabinet that charges you a flat fee regardless of how much gas your tank needs. At McMahon's, we put 20 pounds of gas in the tank, where a cylinder exchange cabinet, you only get 15 pounds on average. At McMahon's, our current price is about 65 cents a pound, where a cylinder exchange cabinet, you're paying closer to $1.45 per pound. At McMahon's, we refill the tank you have, where a cylinder exchange cabinet, you may give them your good-looking tank, and you're going to get a tank in return, not in the same condition as the one you just gave them. So with our 2 locations in Dayton and our accommodating hours, if you're an avid griller like I am, you can see why it's worth the extra drive to come to McMahon's. In the rare instance that you smell gas inside of your house and you need to shut the tank off to be safe, you come outside, lift the lid, and follow the instructions. You'll turn the valve to the right to stop the flow of gas, and then call our office and one of our well-trained technicians will come out and inspect your system for leaks. It's relatively easy to read the gauge in your bulk propane tank, but the question is, what does it mean? This particular tank is a 330-gallon tank, and tanks are filled to 85% to leave room for expansion of the gas. The gauge on this tank says 32%. That means you have roughly 105 gallons of propane still remaining in your tank. So if you should have any questions, please feel free to call our office. One of our well-trained personnel will answer any questions that you might have. At McMahans Bottle Gas, we have a wide variety of grilling products. We have accessories for your grill. Pretty much if it goes with the grill, we carry it. We have a large selection of Weber grills, both on display and in stock. Our selection is probably larger than anybody else's in the area. We carry their charcoal grills, propane, and natural gas. We have the regular versions and the premium versions. Well, the benefit of buying a grill from McMahon's is the fact that we've been carrying them for 30 years. We know the product, we use the product, we have a knowledgeable staff, we assemble the grills daily. If you have a problem, we're able to help you with those problems. We carry all 3 series of the Weber grills as well as the colors that are available in those series. We have a wide selection of their accessories and their hard to find replacement parts. In addition to Weber grills, we also have the Big Green Egg line as charcoal smokers. We have turkey fryers and jambalaya pots. For the avid griller who would like to spice up their cookout, we have over 50 different flavors of rubs and marinades. For those who like to smoke food, we have 10 different kinds of smoking chips and smoking chunks. Nowadays, grilling out is not just about hamburgers and hot dogs. Whether it's with the Big Green Egg line of charcoal grills, our turkey fryers and jambalaya pots, or getting back to our rubs and marinades, we have the products to make your outdoor cooking experience better. Propane Auto Gas delivers the money-saving advantages that fleet managers need. The total cost of ownership for a propane vehicle is better than that of a diesel or gasoline equivalent. And because propane is so clean burning, your maintenance costs will also be lower over the life of the vehicle. Besides lower fuel costs, another great advantage of propane auto gas is the ease of refilling. You can refill your vehicles at one of our plants, or we can put a propane refueling station at your facility. There's an abundant supply of propane. It's made in America, which keeps jobs here in America and gives us energy security. It's environmentally friendly. You'll see a reduction of hydrocarbons and greenhouse gas emissions, which makes it a great choice for fleets. Millions of people choose propane as their fuel source because it's safe, clean, and reliable. When you become a customer of McMahans Bottle Gas, your tank will be installed by a well-trained employee. In the summertime, we'll come out, we'll read your gauge, we'll paint your tank if needed. We monitor the level of the tank so you don't have to. With the autofill program, McMahans takes one more item off your to-do list. Because of our reliability, our customers know that when they bump up the thermostat, their house will be warm. McMahans Bottle Gas is a family-owned business. Our family takes care of your family. You know that you've chosen a company that's been in business for 60 years. That's 60 years of providing propane to Dayton businesses, homes, and schools.